All right. Hey guys, Brad here. And I got to share this incredible offer with you. 50% off your first month inside of the Professor Trades Club. It's already an incredible deal at something just over $30 a month. So for the first month, 50% off. You're going to get all the benefits of the professor, who is Armando, and you're also going to get access to the Elliott Wave Room, and you're going to get all this for 50% off the regular price. Now, this offer is only good until May 26th. This is 2025. So you've got 3 days to make your decision. Now, who is this club really for? Who benefits? I think this club is the best for anyone looking for consistency in their trading. We are short term day traders mostly. So if you've been trading futures, if you've been trading options, if you've been trading instruments like gold, silver, NASDAQ, ES, whether you're trading minis or big contracts, it doesn't matter. What you're going to gain from coming inside of the club with the Professor Trades is invaluable. And the value you are going to get is going to dwarf the expense. I mean, it is pretty remarkable how inexpensive the club access is anyway, but now you're getting it at 50% off for your first month. What do you have to lose? Come in, join the club. You're going to get daily live videos in the morning near the market open. Quite often, you'll get another video in the afternoon, or rather evening, before the evening futures open at 6. There's a lot of value in hanging out inside of the room throughout the day to check charts, to check alerts. Now, on my side of the club, I'm in the Elliott Wave Room. I'm the moderator and Elliott Wave analyst. We also have some highly esteemed members, one of whom is really an Elliott Wave analyst, who's also in the room with me, named David, providing charts that I don't necessarily cover. His work on the ES is amazing. Let me give you a quick tour, okay, of the room, of the club, so to speak. So here we are in the Elliott Wave Room. And this is just, random. This happens to be last night. I just wanted to share this with you. So David, the gentleman I was just talking about, who is an esteemed member of the Elliott Wave Room and the Professor Trades Club, he's also an Elliott Wave analyst. He covers ES multiple times throughout the day. In this example, he put up a chart. I saw the opportunity to use it as a teaching moment regarding Elliott Wave. So here I am following him up with an Elliott Wave educational moment based on his chart. I had already had this graphic ready, but if you come in the club and you get in the Elliott Wave Room, you're going to learn that finally you're going to simplify your understanding of Elliott Wave. If you don't know what Elliott Wave is, it is a remarkable, remarkable methodology that I'm a practitioner of, and I put in my 10,000 plus hours learning it. Now I'm sharing it in the room, the Elliott Wave Room. If we just scroll down, we see we're covering gold, ES, DXY, the dollar, currencies, although today I wasn't focused, actually this whole week I haven't been focused on the currencies because we've been cleaning up in our gold trades, our silver trades, and our NASDAQ trades. We're always looking at crude oil, as you can see here. Members can request things. This gentleman, Michael, one of our esteemed members, was asking me this morning about the NASDAQ because I hadn't posted it yet, and it was already 6:49 a.m. I usually am on here around 6 a.m. So here it is, me posting charts. This is the NASDAQ chart, and later on in the day, NASDAQ actually cooperated very well. If you can see this chart here, NASDAQ really dropped hardcore today, and when I posted this chart this morning, we were warning members, this is the region, this is an Elliott Wave chart, this is the region that price should be dropping from. So whether you're trading a tiny micro contract or whether you're trading options, it doesn't really much matter. We're providing you with the analysis for you to trade however your trade style is. But I'm just showing you what happened today because you have a limited opportunity for 3 days to come in at 50% off the regular price for an entire month and get your cup filled up with information. This club is really beneficial for either beginners who don't really know where to start, maybe you're overwhelmed. Armando keeps it so simple. His method is based on supply and demand zones largely, but it's very visual and it's utterly simple. Elliott Wave is much more complex of a methodology, very effective. It has its own set of benefits and it has its own set of challenges. Armando's method is so incredibly simple that if you're a beginner or if you've struggled to get consistency in your trade, or if you've ever blown up an account or more than one account and you are sick and tired of it and you're looking for finally something that's going to help you get over the hump, Armando is a master of trader mindset, the psychology of trading. That is the main takeaway. That's why I joined the club well over a year ago, was to tweak my psychology. I had one conversation with Armando in a private coaching session, because Armando does provide private coaching, and it changed my whole game, and my consistency has just steadily and incrementally improved ever since that phone conversation I had with Armando. I cannot promote this club highly enough. So I want you to click the link. It's in the video description of this video. Click that link. You're going to see the offer, and there's a referral code, a discount code rather. Very important. You got to use the discount code. All the instructions you need are in the description of this video. So while I'm showing you the inside of the club, let me just pull up a couple of things that I wanted to show you. Just some comments coming through from folks. This was the NASDAQ chart that I just showed you. We've got members thanking us all day long. We've really been killing it in gold. And I do private sessions myself, educational sessions. So here's a member that participated in one of my live video Zoom calls where I'm teaching Elliott Wave and things that you're never going to learn, or maybe you're going to learn, but you're not going to be able to implement. That's, learning a methodology is one thing, implementing it is another. And that's what I'm going to help you with inside of the Elliott Wave Room, is implementing these things. And the amount of trades that we get in a week that are winners and big winners is ridiculous. Here's an example of gold. We've been really focused on gold. And here's a member, longtime commodity trader, who came in and joined the club. And his comments you can read right here. I'm so humbled by that and flattered by that. And you can see what happened above. I posted in a chart. This is what I said. You can pause the video, read this, and then not too long after that, you can see what happened. The reaction, exactly what we were looking for. Do we always get it right? Of course not. But we get it right a great majority of the time. And that's why we have a growing membership with a very high retention rate. But we're offering this right now for 50% off for the first month. Here's another example of gold. This one was when gold came down really deep and got right into my ratio box, which was the target, and then ripped. We were looking for that bounce. It happened. So the traders in here are paying their respect to me and my work, which I'm humbled by greatly. Just sharing with you what's been happening lately. These are all from this week. Similar, we trade zone to zone in here, and you can see how this price of this instrument comes up, hits our zones, come back down, hits our zone, goes back to the zone. When you know how to do zone to zone, you are going to see your consistency increase dramatically. Here's another member who actually already knows a bit about Elliott Wave. This compliment really humbles me. Thanks for your input. You made me love EW, which is Elliott Wave. That really touched me. That is a wonderfully warm and generous comment. Anyway, I won't show you too much more. I could do this a lot because there's so much in the room. So I just want to leave you with the encouraging words to come join the club. Look at the description. Find the discount code, click the link, select the plan, monthly plan. It's got to be the monthly plan. Enter your discount code, which I'm going to post below. Make sure you enter the discount code so you'll get your discount. Armando will take care of you, making sure that you get in the club. And I hope to see you in here on Tuesday morning. We're probably going to be in here on Monday too, because the futures are trading a bit, even though it's a holiday. But I want to see your face in the place on Tuesday morning. Come in. Let Armando teach you the proper psychology so you can get some consistency going in your trades. Stop blowing up accounts. Stop making a bunch and then giving it all back, and then making a bunch and then giving it all back, because break even don't pay the bills, as Armando likes to say. So thanks a lot for watching. I sure appreciate you, and I hope to see you in the club. Check the description of this video. See you in the room. Bye-bye.